Walking into the quaint little town of Allora, and it's quiet. Oh, who's this?
Allora Gates.
Laura Gets, Allora Sports Immortal. And here's a little memorial plaque of Laura Gets. Netball. We've got a barber, cafe, butcher, credit union, post office, community hall, and a few other stores down here. Now that is an hour pub. It's called the Blue Cow. Or it's a cafe. I think it might be a cafe, not a pub. And here's something also to do with Mary Poppins author. We got P.L. Travers, born Helen Linden Goff, 1899 to 1996, author of the Mary Poppins books. Spent some of her formative years in Allora. And they've also got a park named after the author of Mary Poppins, P.L. Travers Park. And this is the Railway Hotel. Have an IGA there across the road. Now this house here used to be a bank, and then the author of Mary Poppins, P.J. Travers, used to live here. And it is open by appointment only, so they can get a guided tour. And yeah, there it is, Mary Poppins house, 1879. It's a quaint little old building. Well, good morning from Stanthorpe. We've arrived on a Sunday and it's the Apple and Grape Festival on. And we're catching up with some old friends of ours here in Stanthorpe for a coffee, Paul and Linda. And we're meeting just up the road here at a cafe. And this is where we're going to meet Paul and Linda today. It's called the Groove and Grill Diner on the main street of Stanthorpe. Did you find yourself a mate, did you?
Yeah, I bet.
What's it, an alpaca or a llama? Never know. Might be a llama. Oh, hello.
I'm waiting for you. How are you?
How you doing?
How are you?
How are you?
How are you?
Good. You been here long?
5 minutes.
Oh, we were just sitting up there.
I just wanted to ask the girl something. Sit down.
Oh, okay. Hello, Paul.
How are you?
Bye. This is Ballandine Pyramid, just south of Stanthorpe, heading towards Tenterfield. No idea why this person built it. What's it there for? Maybe he had a lot of rocks on this property and he wanted to use them up to build a pyramid. Great idea. And now we're heading down towards Glen Innes, Tenterfield and Glen Innes. And we had a lovely night, and this is the border. Well, good morning again from the Queensland New South Wales border. Last night we stayed just down the road here. We just crossed the border into New South Wales, heading towards Tenterfield, and we've come across this old rattly bridge. Don't think a train will be going across there in the distant future. Well, good morning from Tenterfield. We're having a look on wiki camps and we found the oldest cork tree in Australia at Tenterfield. And here it is, brought all the way from England. So you get an idea of it. But it's a big bugger. It's the cork tree in its glory there. Well, welcome to Glen Innes. We are now at the Australian Standing Stones, the home of the Australian Celtic Festival. And this is what they look like from the air. And the Celtic origins. Some of the stones that we'll be seeing. The Irish stone, and then we'll see if we can pull the sword out of the stone. And there's also a little cafe here. So we'll check out the actual stones themselves. Now we've got to find the one with the sword in it, see if we can pull it out. Well, there's no way I'm going to be pulling that sword out of that stone today because it's all fenced in. Never mind, next time I hope it's open when you get here.